Kasi siya nakatulog ngayon. Siya nagnap. Kasi nga busy si mommy. Sa likod. Today is Wednesday. Sunset up. Nakapagod but it's okay. Started na mag-load ng mga boxes Sunday. So Joel ang start siya ng Sunday. Tapos went together with me Monday, Tuesday, and today Wednesday. Takot ng gamit. Kasi ito sa bata ito. Uwi sa bata. Ay, kawawang mami. The passenger is
This
sleeping.
report is sponsored by Big O Tires. Now at Big O Tires, get a $70 rebate on all passenger or light truck Michelin tires through October 29th. Plus, get an additional $70 rebate on installation of select sets of 4 Michelin tires. Big O Tires.
Gasolina mo na si Joel. Ito yung gasoline station na malapit sa amin. Alam ko, mura sabi ni Joel, mura daw gasolina dito. Yan kasi ko sa price. Gasolina ko siya. Sleeping. Puno mga box sa likod. Yan yung favorite kanta ni Maria. Buti naman hindi siya nagising kasi nga pag natidinig na yung Unstoppable, isa nagigisingin siya. Unstoppable today, unstoppable today. Yan. Still sleeping. Almost to the house. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ang daming mga big trucks dito. Ganda. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Yung pa rin yung batang natulog. Unstoppable today. Show me what strong I am. So, kung hindi lang yung nakatira dito, yung pala, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kasi set pa ng 7, ikaw pang 8 kami na nag-booking. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to get today. Baka na sila? Okay na ito. Yan, that's the machine. Dami machine dito. 3D printer. So here. Hey, thanks Han. Joel installed the blinds. Thanks God na dumating yung blinds tonight, Thursday instead of tomorrow. Do it again. So you just do like that, right? And then, how did you put it up? Like, what did you do? Is that normal? It's kind of tight in here like that. Okay. And then you just do like that, pull it up. Nice. And yung blinds namin. Ito yung sa bedroom.
I need a ziplock around the extra part, okay?
I did not bring our ziplock. I leave it at home. I just put it in the bag. Transfer it later. Kasi wala pa kaming bed dito. Tonight we're gonna sleep here. Breaking na nato atong ang stove. Luto ko rice kay utong kayo. Meatballs tayo pa na luto. And then it's my first time na gamitin ang electric stove. Yay! Hindi ko pa masyado kabisado pero sasanay din ako sa ganitong klaseng lutuan. Electric stove. Yan! Today is Wednesday. So makalat pa yan dyan. Wala pa talaga. Yan pa, empty pa, empty. Luluto ko ng pasta. Kasi madali lang yung pasta. Tapos mag-adobo ko. Pork and chicken adobo. I have rice para tomorrow. Kasi wala pa kaming refrigerator. Dito yung ref. Maybe tomorrow pala yung refrigerator. Darating siya tomorrow. Washer, refrigerator. Washer, dryer, refrigerator. Tsaka TV. Pero wala kaming internet. So useless pa rin yung TV. Boiling already! Yeah! You okay, Maria? Are you okay? Wait, parang na kayo. Amot siya. So dito kami matutulog kasi Chichi Boychi. Uy, put that blanket there, honey. It's gonna get dirty, honey. Kasi tomorrow early yung delivery and I just wanna make sure na may tao dito. So yan, I get this pasta. Kukutin ang pasta dito. Hindi mo pasta. Ito na lang. Yes, Han! Okay, I'm coming. Tapos na ako ni kami na kayo. So kung iba na. First night na magluto ako sa aking kitchen. Rice. Mag-isa ako ng rice. And then, let's check our pasta. Yan. Pasta ako ngayon. Kasi madali lang. Yan. Kasi magluto. Breakingan na ito nitong stove. First night here. Dapat kasi sa ano pa kami maglipat. Matulog dito 21. Dapat 28 pero na-move na namin ng 21 para mas early. And then, tonight we will sleep here kasi may delivery bukas. Maaga daw yung delivery. Tapos may work si Joel. So kaya, matulog na lang kami dito tonight. Medyo ano na ako sa ano ba? Ganito ba talaga yung stove? Mag-light siya tapos mag-off na naman. Light na naman off. First time ko kasi mag-ano ng ganito electric stove. So hindi ko alam. Ang daming tubig na aking rice. It's okay. Okay. Lapit na maluto ang pasta. So yan siya, wala siyang ilaw, tapos later mag-ilaw siya. See? O yan, may ilaw na naman. Ganito talaga yung electric stove. O yan, wala na naman ilaw. So medyo, ano ko. Hindi ko alam tama ko itong ginagawa ko. Busy kasi mas install ng blinds. See, o yan, nag-light na naman siya. So, ano ko. Ganyan ba yan talaga siya. So nakalagay dito, cooktop on, cooktop hot. Tapos ito yung ganyan.
Okay, wait a minute. You're next.
Pork na chicken adobo. Ang isang panilutas. Ito na. Wala kang bala. And then our pasta. The meatballs. Pasta dito kung gamit ko. Dito rin dito yung inday. Dito lang. Kapali ko ano. Dito dito na kami na. That's Maria. Ano? Yeah. What are you eating?
I'm eating something.
No more chocolate, ha? It's night time. You cannot sleep good. And then yung husband ko dyan. Busy. Na-install siya ng blinds. Buti nandubat ang blinds today. Oopsie! Uy, be careful. Give it to me. I know you did. You put this in the trash, honey. Put this in the trash. There. Put the trash there, oh. Yeah. Open na. Ayos na bili, ah. This one, I have to do this one. That one. This one. Very good. Uy, uy. Okay, yeah, close it first. Close it.
Like this?
Yeah. Push. Push in the center. Wow, thank you. Ay, mo gana. Huwag na dahil. Pasok ka din ano. Adobo. Chicken. Adobo. Amin ka na. Plus, Maria ay kumakain ng Cheetos. And Joel is install siya ng blinds. Tapos, ako naman, dito. Busy. Luto ng dinner. It's already 7:24, medyo late na. So, I work as Joel tomorrow. Ayan, chicken and pork, adobo. Mas macaroni. So, nilunod ko yung chicken last para maging malambot yung pork. Ito is for our tomorrow's breakfast. Yan. Hindi naman siguro masisira yung adobo, no? Basta, ano lang pag-adobo. Tapos yung dinner nyo midnight. Yan. Ganap-ganap. Yan. Ito isa kumakanta. This hand and what's next? Wow. Ito yung sa hallway. Awan ko, entrance yun dyan. Entrance. Tapos ito yung Joel. Mabilis na pala mag-install nito. Buti na hindi kami nagkumuha ng ano. Kasi mahal yung pag sila yung mag-install. So yan. Mas mahal ito. Ano naman itong cellphone ko? Blur naman. The feather in his head and golden.
Mommy, don't say this.
Okay. You're a great singer? So ganyan pala yan. Galing na. Yeah! Good job, Daddy! So yung anak na mag-install. Dali, o din siya. Done na! Almost. May ano pa, 3 more windows. blinds. Ilahin mo na yung blinds. Ilahin sa cameras. Okay. Lord, ako sa in his head. Ah! Okay. Again.
He's a professional.
Again. Wow, yan, kinudo. Ah! It's dizzy. Sit down first. Sit down. You're gonna fall down, honey. Yan. I think this is done na. May adobo. Pork and chicken adobo. Ulam namin para bukas. And let's turn off the stove. I think this is done. So, ayoko naman walang sabaw. Yan.
You have to go cook? I'm gonna go do your room next.
So, this is cooked, but this is cooked up hot.
What?
It says cooked up hot.
It's still hot.
Oh, it's still hot.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't touch it. Don't burn yourself.
Alright, done cooking.